Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can unhide hidden sheets or tab sheets in the Google Sheets. So here, if you hide a certain tab sheets on your document and you want to show it again or you want to reveal it again, this is what you are going to do. There are two methods that you can do. The first one is you can go to view at the top in here, click on the view menu, and there will be this hidden sheets option. And you can see there will be this show transaction. So the transaction is the name of the tab sheet. So you can tap on that, and just like that, it will be unhidden. That's the first way. And then the second way, the second method that you can do, this is the easiest one. You can just click on this hamburger icon or the three lines icon to show all sheets, and there will be this transaction sheet that I hide before. So when you click on that, and it will be unhide. And that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please give me a like, leave a comment, click on the thanks, and also subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.